A very good morning to all parents and welcome to today's activity for the Parents as Co-Educators program. Today's activity is name, place, animal, thing. This activity will improve the logical thinking of your child. In this activity, parents will ask the child to think of name of a person, place, animal, or a thing on the last letter of their name. After thinking for 30 seconds, the child have to write the names which comes on their mind first on a page. This activity will help the child improve the vocabulary and logical thinking. Example: if your name is Ram, then the child should guess any name starting with M, since the last letter of your name is M. Suppose he or she guesses a name Montu. Now the child has to guess a place starting with the last letter of Montu, that is U. Suppose he or she guessed Udaipur. Since the last letter is R, the child has to guess an animal starting with R. Suppose he or she guessed rat. Then he needs to guess a thing starting with the last letter of rat, that is T. Suppose he guessed table. Now again he can guess a name starting with the last letter of table, that is E. Make sure that the name once guessed cannot be repeated. The child can continue playing as long as he can think of. Parents may help the child sometimes if the child is unable to guess on a particular letter. Discuss with your child how he find the activity. Was it interesting? Why they have thought only of these names? Did he learn new words? Thank you, parents. Hope your child enjoyed performing this activity and you had fun too. We request you to send a photograph or a video of your child performing this activity. In case of any doubts or suggestions, you can always feel free to contact us through our WhatsApp number given on the screen.